Good morning. Today we will learn about profit and loss. Profit and loss is important chapter in maths. Okay. So today we will learn about profit and loss. See, first of all we should know about what is CP. CP means cost price. Means the original price of an item or commodity is called cost price. Okay. Means original means suppose we are going to market, we buy something, and that is at price that we buy something, the commodity or any item, that is cost price. Okay. Now we learn about SP. SP is selling price. Means the commodity we are selling, and in that price, in what price we are selling that commodity, that is selling price. So we can know about selling price. So we got two things. This is the two important things you have to remember, that what is cost price and what is selling price, because these are the important things in profit and loss. Everything depends upon the cost price and selling price. Now we will learn about what is profit. Now let's come to the question topic part. What is a profit? You can hear these words many times, that I got this much profit, I got this much loss. So what is a profit? See, let me tell you. When SP is greater than CP, means if the selling price is greater than cost price, then we have profit. We can also call it as gain. We can tell it the gain. Okay. What we know? If selling price is greater than cost price is profit. And then what is loss? Vice versa we can tell. If cost price is greater than selling price, then we will call it as loss. Have you understood what concept? Now I will tell you. So we can make one formula left from here. Profit is equal to what is? If SP is greater than CP, see, SP is greater than CP, then means SP should be greater than CP. So we can write SP minus CP. Then we can get the profit. How much profit we earn? Same loss. Here we have CP is greater than SP. You can have, see, CP is greater than SP. So what we have? CP minus SP. Simple things. So what we know? First, for cost price, the original price of any item is cost price. Selling price, when we sold any item at the price, that price is selling price. Now comes to profit. What is profit? When SP is greater than CP, means selling price is greater than cost price, then we have profit, and we have profit is equal to SP minus CP. We should learn this one. What is loss? When CP is greater than SP, means we have loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Let's go to the question part. I have made some question. See, where there is written find gain and loss. You can see this question. Find gain and loss. First question. CP is equal to 80. Let's solve it from here. CP is equal to 80. It is given. And SP is given 40. Now you tell me. I have given question in that way so that you can understand what is a gain or what is loss. Now you tell me. Here CP is 80 and SP is 40. Now you tell me which one is greater. You can see CP is 80, SP is 40. Means CP is greater. We have CP is greater. Now check here. CP is greater. CP is greater than SP. Means CP is greater than SP means loss. So we have loss. Means we have solved one part of the question. Which part? It is written find gain or loss. But we have loss. Now we have to tell how much loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP is equal to loss. So CP is equal to 80 and SP is equal to 40. So we have 40. Suppose it is rupees. So it will be rupees 40 loss. You know you understand the concept, how to find profit, how to understand loss. Now let's move to the question part B first. Okay, see, in B it is given that CP is equal to 60 and SP is equal to 90. Now see here, I am telling you, here it is SP is 90 and CP is 60. Now you tell me which portion is greater? CP? No. SP? Yes, SP is greater because it is 90. No, SP. Now SP is greater than CP. Yeah, profit. You can see it is profit. So profit is equal to what we have? SP minus CP, and SP is equal to 90 and CP is equal to 60 is equal to 30. So we got see, we got the answer. Suppose it is rupees, so it is 30 rupees profit. See, so you understand the concept of profit and loss. Now let's move towards the gain percentage and loss percentage. Okay, nothing. It's so simple. If you understand this concept, then it is so simple. Gain percentage, nothing. Gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100. Now let me tell you. You know CP, cost price. Okay. Gain you know SP minus CP. So can we put that SP minus CP, this formula of SP minus CP in that portion? So let me put it. It is SP minus CP by CP gunne multiply by 100. So we got gain percentage. What we got? Gain percentage. Okay. So this is simple. Just to remember, gain by CP into 100 is gain percentage. Now we know that gain is equal to SP minus CP by CP. So SP minus CP, gain is equal to SP minus CP. So it will be gain percentage equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. Okay. Same to same loss. Let me tell you loss. Should I write here? Okay. Loss percentage is equal to, okay, loss percentage is equal to loss by CP multiply by 100. Okay. Now loss is equal to, we know that loss is equal to CP minus SP. So can we put that formula? CP minus SP by CP into 100. So we got loss percentage is equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. Okay, let's move to the question part. It is given here, find gain percentage and loss percentage. I don't know whether it is gain percentage or whether it is loss percentage. We have to find what is that. Now we can see CP is equal to 100. Let's move to the question part. A. CP is equal to 80 and SP is equal to 40. Now tell me which one is greater, CP or SP? I guess CP is greater. CP is greater. Okay, CP is greater. And if CP is greater, then we have loss. So we got loss. First part of question finished. That we have loss. Why? Because CP is greater than SP. Now what is loss? Then CP minus SP is equal to 40. Means we have loss is equal to 40. Now put in the formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP. Loss percentage is equal to loss. How much loss? 40. What is CP? 80 by into 100. 1, 2, 5, 50 is equal to 50% loss. Find the answer. We find the answer. Loss percentage is equal to 50. What was the step? Step was, first we have to find loss, whether it is loss or whether it is profit. First step, whether it is loss, whether it is profit, and find we have to loss. Then second step, how much loss? Then again loss percentage. Put the formula. We'll get the answer. Okay. Let's move to the second part. Second question. First, second question given that CP is equal to 60. Okay. Let's take it. CP is equal to 60. CP is equal to 60 and SP is equal to 90. Okay. CP is equal to 60 and SP is equal to 90. First we have to find whether it is gain or whether it is loss. So SP is greater. We can say that SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP means profit. So we know we got the first step. Profit. It is profit. Now profit is equal to SP minus CP is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. We got the second step. Profit is equal to 30. Now we will put the formula of profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to gain by CP means profit by CP into 100. Okay. Well, how much profit is there? Profit is 30 and CP is equal to 60 into 100. 1 to the 2, 50 is equal to 50% profit. We got the answer that profit is 50%. Okay, we understood what is a cost price, what is selling price, what is profit, what is loss, what is profit percentage, and what is the loss percentage. We already understood that. Okay, let's move to the third question. Find CP and SP. So now we have to find whether it is CP or SP. See, gain is equal to, suppose gain is equal to, we have given gain is equal to 60 and CP is equal to 40. Why I have given this question? Because you should understand how to find CP and SP also. So now CP is given and gain is given. Now we know that profit, we can take this formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. But here SP is not given. Yeah, we have to find SP because profit is equal to SP minus CP. Here SP is not given. We have to find SP. So profit, how much profit? 60 is equal to SP minus CP, 40. And we will change the this like terms. So 60 plus 40 is equal to SP, means 100. SP is equal to 100. We got the answer. SP is equal to 100. You understood how to find CP also? So we have found the CP also. Now let's see the second question. The second question is loss. B. Loss is given. Loss is 40 and SP is equal to 60. Now you tell. We can find CP because CP is not given and we have to find CP. How to find CP? Loss is given. You can take this formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Let's take it. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay. Loss is 40 and SP is 60. We don't have CP. So we have to find CP. So CP is equal to CP minus 60. Now change the direction. 40 plus 60 is equal to CP. So 100 is equal to CP. Finally, we got the answer. So in this we got CP, in this we got SP. So we know how to find CP also and how to find SP also. So we have find the gain percentage also, loss percentage also. We have find the gain and loss. These are the basics, and these are the basics of profit and loss. You should remember the formula. What is profit, what is loss, what is gain percentage, what is loss percentage. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll meet again in the next class. Thank you.